Hello everyone, welcome back. Once we understood how we can add a vertex or edge inside a graph, it's time to actually see traversal. So let's begin. Firstly, traversal means visiting or checking each vertex in a graph. And here, tree are the important subset of a graph. So tree can also be called as a graph. But in a graph, there are multiple options to go from one node to another node, unlike a tree where we have only one option to go. So, where actually graph traversal is used? Let's say. So, firstly, when we are finding closest match or the recommendation on the Facebook for your friends as well as on the LinkedIn, at that time we are making use of the graph traversal. And second most important use is for the shortest path problem. In GPS navigation also we need to travel from one location to another location and we need to find out the shortest path. At that time also we are making use of a graph. Along with that in AI we are making use of the graph traversal. So in the same way there are multiple use cases where graph is used. Then by how many ways we can travel inside a graph? For that, we have depth first traversal and breadth first traversal. Let's begin with depth first traversal first. Here, we need to start looping away from the root node first. So here we have root node. We will start looping away from the root node as deep as possible. And we always choose lower number to start visiting if number is given. So in this case, we have A. Firstly, we will start with A. Then we will go to the D. Then go to the F. Then again we will come to the D. There is no further neighbors. So we will again go to the A. Then from there we will come to the C. And from C we again have the depth child E. So we will go to the E. And again we will check if there is a more depth child. No. So we will again go back to C. And there also we don't have the further neighbor. So we will go up to the A. And for A, now we are only left with B. So we will write B. So in this depth first traversal, we will try to go as deep as possible. Then we will visit the neighbors against with the breadth first search. Here, in our breadth first search, we need to visit neighbors first before going deeper down. So here we will start with A. Then we will go to its first neighbor, that is B. We will not check for the further deep down. We will come back to the A. Then we will go to the C, but we will not go deep. We will come back to A. Then we will check for the further neighbors. So we have D. So at that time, we will not go deeper. We will again come back to A and we will check for any other neighbor, but neighbor is not existing. So in this case, we will again come back to our C, and for C we have child E, so we will write E here. Then the same process we will follow and we will come up to the D, and then we will write F here. So in case of breadth first traversal, we first cover all its neighbor before going down or the deeper inside a tree or a graph. So this is the main difference between the depth first search and breadth first search. With this, we will sum up this video tutorial, but yes, we will surely meet in our next video tutorial, where we will see the practical implementation of both these things. Thank you very much for now. Please follow my complete playlist to have a good understanding about data structure and algorithms. Thank you.